Right, so now that I have tiled the kitchen, these are all tiles for the 6th apartment. Those are for the 6th apartment, that is for the 6th apartment. I've got all the appliances. I also have an extra box left of this mint green. So I'm gonna keep like half a box for emergencies, and the rest I'm gonna use for my coffee corner, which is probably gonna be here. Will be the last thing to tile. I think it's a beautiful color, mint green, and I'll be using the same kind of green that I used in my own apartment. It's a little bit light and fresh. This is all for long-term storage. Then I have all the electricity wires here, so I don't need to buy anything. This is to be used in the kitchen and in this reception area. And then we have like a lot of boxes from my previous house, and they are a little bit like a reminder that we as a people, we don't really need a lot of things. In fact, those boxes have been around for 6 years and I have no idea what I'm going to find in them. But I will take a look and then I will decide to throw it away or not. Because why do I need to keep that stuff if I didn't miss it and I don't even know what's inside? So step by step, upcoming week I'll be cleaning out this part, throwing away what I don't need. And since I've been working for a couple of days on the kitchen, I thought I deserve some time off. I had some guests the past week. They didn't mind me working, so actually came to look at the progress a couple of times. And I think I'm just going to take the camper van out for a spin for maybe 2 or 3 days, head to the coast and enjoy the sea, because the water is still warm. Kind of forgotten how heavy it is to move those boxes of tiles. How many I moved in the past, Madonna. Alright. So, look at this. Small detail. Small, really small detail. But I managed to bring it up at the level of the old pavement, so I love it. Oh, I have to swim. Let's do something. Some grouting maybe. I think I'm gonna paint it though. Good, so this here I will store the wood against the wall. And then we'll think about something different next year. Oggi non ho tempo, oggi voglio stare spento. Whoa! Now that was a phone. Last year the smoke was coming into the house, and I'm trying to find out if it is about cleaning or if there is a more structural problem. In the end, I didn't do a lot this week. Of course, I also went to the beach for 2 days. I'm a little bit in a stage of generating ideas, thinking about solutions, because I definitely want to spend a lot of time this winter right here in this place, but it wasn't built that well. For one, the ceiling, which is also the floor upstairs, it's not insulated. You hear everything, all the noises when you walk, when you have music down here or you talk upstairs. So I'm thinking about some insulation from the bottom. But then the finishing touch is gonna be wood again or drywall. Yeah. I'm thinking about that wall. Got 2 sockets. So whatever I do, I will have to open the wall, put new conduit in for all the lights. Yeah. I'm not really up to speed or something yet. I think I'm gonna clean it up a little bit today. It's raining, tomorrow will be raining again. And having it cleaned up a bit will be easier to decide how to go forward. See you guys next week, hopefully. And I will leave you with my thoughts.